This exceptional built-in single oven from Neff is perfect for budding chefs who want a quality model with intelligent technology. With a large 71-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions, including a bread baking and intensive grill setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Neff's amazing Circotherm system lets you cook 3 different meal types simultaneously. The powerful fan on the back wall draws in hot air, where it's heated up and forced back into the cavity via specially placed ducts. The constant circulation of hot air means meals are cooked evenly and flavours and smells won't intermingle between dishes. And because of the forced air travelling in different directions, even when you're checking on your meals, little heat is lost. The pyrolytic setting is an amazing self-cleaning function that does the hard work for you. Before the program begins, the oven door will lock automatically for your safety. The temperature is then raised to around 500 degrees and burns away any food residue. Once the process is complete, all it takes is a simple wipe with a cloth to take care of any remaining ash. So you'll save money on expensive cleaning products and spend less time cleaning the oven. If you're looking for a quality built-in single oven with intelligent technology, this exceptional model from Neff is the perfect choice.